guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy Munro and I'm an independent promoter with the amazing company Prove It. And today I wanted to go over with you what comes in your 10-day ketone starter kit for the month of April. When you purchase a 10-day kit, you will receive an email from me with full directions, different recipes to make each flavor with, as well as a keto cookbook that you can choose to dabble in some of those recipes and try out for yourself. But today I just kind of want to go over some of what you will receive and what you can expect to get in your 10-day ketone starter kit. So the first product you'll get is the Keto OS chocolate swirl. Now this one I prefer in almond milk or in an iced coffee. Tastes really good. Just pour it in, stir it up. It has a lighter chocolate taste, so it's not too strong or anything like that. I really enjoyed it. The next one is our Keto OS Orange Dream. I really like this, just mixed up with water and some ice. Shake it up really well. It tastes just like a creamsicle, so if you had one of those creamsicle popsicles as a kid, this will taste just like it. It's very good, and it's the original flavor that Prove It actually came out with. Next is the Keto Cream. This one goes right into your coffee. So if you're someone like me, I really enjoy a lot of creamer, or did. So I actually tend to use a full packet of this. But if you're someone who prefers their coffee more on the black side, you can even use a quarter packet of this, and your one full packet will last you about 4 days or so. There's AC11, which helps with DNA repair, environmental DNA repair. There's collagen in there, and it's functional fat technology that really helps get your body into a state of ketosis and get your body prepared for that. So you'll receive a couple of these. The only other product that Prove It comes out with that has more ketones in it would be our amped flavors, and right now those are only available in a special release sale. So first up is our raspberry lemonade. This is our top seller. So if you did not want to get a 10-day starter kit and you kind of just wanted to jump all in and get a box, this is the flavor that I would recommend the most. It is the top seller. It's very refreshing. People really love it. I love it. So raspberry lemonade. Next is our Keto Max Flavor Splash. This one recently just became a mainstay on our website. It's very light and refreshing. To me, it tastes just like a Jolly Rancher, watermelon Jolly Rancher, and I love it. It's very good. Just mix it up with some water and ice and shake it up, and you're good to go. Next, for our Max flavors, we have the Maui Punch. This is one of my personal favorites. It tastes just like a fruit punch. So good. I like it just with water and ice again, or you can even do a splash of raspberry lime seltzer water. Mix it in there. It gives it a whole new flavor. It's very refreshing, very good. So you'll also get a packet of this. Then next we have our Max Swiss Cacao. This is more of a richer chocolate taste. This I prefer personally in coffee or iced coffee. It really gives it that mocha kind of taste, or even in hot chocolate. It just really gives it that extra rich chocolate taste to it. It's a max, so it has the most ketones in it as well. And all of these will put your body into ketosis within 59 minutes of drinking them. So it's pretty amazing. Next is our MCT 143. This is Prove It's version of the MCT oil. Now this you can use in anything. You could put it in your drink, you can add it when you're cooking, you can put it on top of the salad. It's really good for memory and brain functioning, and it's just amazing, guys. You can use it in anything. I always recommend to start with just a teaspoon of this, because MCT oil can be a little harsh on your stomach, so it's important just to start with a little and see how your body reacts to it, and then work your way up. So your kit will also come with one of these. And then on top of that, I have a few different flavors here. These are just ones that I have in stock right now. I have Nutty Ketone, which is like the keto cream. It goes right into your coffee. This one tastes like Bailey's. So if you like Bailey's, you will love this. So you might be getting this one. This is our Keto Max Formula Heart Tart. It is one of my absolute favorites. It tastes just like a sweet tart. It's very refreshing. It has AC11 in it, which is the DNA repair. It's amazing. So you might be getting this one. Or we also have the Keto Max Keto Envy, which tastes like a Thin Mint. It tastes super, super good. It's very light. It more so tastes like an Andes Mint on its own, just mixed up with water. But if you put this one, like half of Keto Envy and half of Swiss Cacao together, it tastes just like a Thin Mint, like the Girl Scout cookie. It is so, so good. So that is what comes in your April 10-day ketone starter kit, so that you can try a little bit of everything. Every flavor that is normally on our website will be there for you to try. And of course, like I said, there I send an email with full directions, different recipes. You get added into our Facebook group as well. And if you have any questions, I will post my ways that you can contact me below this video. And of course, as always, please subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing some more recipes here and adding some value to your life and bringing you up to date every single month on what our 10-day ketone starter kits will include. So I hope you all have a great day, and I thank you so very much for watching this. Please subscribe and have a great day. Bye-bye.